It can be extremely difficult to love someone who doesn't love you back. Start by recognizing that the grief you're feeling is normal and that you'll need some time to move on and heal. As hard as it is to let go, it's important to respect the other person's feelings and give them some space. Limit your contact with them as much as possible, which will also make it easier for you to move past your feelings. Look for healthy ways to express your emotions, whether that means working on creative projects, writing your thoughts down in a journal, or just having a good cry. At the same time, find ways to put the situation into perspective. For instance, try to look at this as an opportunity to find someone who's a better match for you. Distract yourself by spending time doing things you enjoy and getting quality time with supportive people in your life. Take time to focus on yourself and work towards your goals.